You can save the file and hope you remember how to run the file. You can go to the directly view menu and from there you can run it. Something like this. Something like this. It will print list of city where it start from the 1. We have discussed like in case if your requirement says like no start from some different number, you can use the property here called start equal to 5. Start equal to 5. So instead of starting from 1, now the list will start from the 5 directly. That is called one type of order list. Okay. And you should remember also, whichever the tag are open and close here, all the tags are called dependent. Correct? Dependent type of tag. And next, the tag will print in the new line. Like Bangalore is printing in the new line, Mumbai is printing in the new line. All the city names are printing in the new line. So you can say whichever the tag print in the new line by default, that is called as a block level tag. What is called block level tag. And if the tag has open and close separate, then it is called as a dependent tag. So you can say OL is also open close, H1 is also open close, LI and all are open close. This all are called as a block level tag. A dependent tag, not block, dependent tag. Once we run the page, then we see the output in the browser where we come to know, oh, all are printing in the new line. Correct? So it's called as a block level tag. Number you see is starting from 5. Correct. After that, right below one HR tag. In that we will write color equal to green color and size equal to 5. So one green color line will appear, and that line will be 5 pixel thickness. The thickness of the line will be 5 pixel. That is not part of the OL. It is just a new tag that you should know. Okay, there is a this tag also. It make like this. It make a link. It make a just block. It make a line from beginning to last. That line color we can change. Line thickness also we can change. Okay, so let me show you how is that. Is something like this. Next, we can follow the another OL tag, and in that OL tag we can write type equal to capital A. Type equal to capital A. Here also we can add some kind of like maybe technology name you can add. HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, right? Then we can check once. You will see this order will come as a 1 to ABCD. That will be in the uppercase. Capital ABCD will come. Right? Check once. Okay. Inside this is greater than this after the period from so this is open here by the problem coincident close in the last. Okay, so right, hope we are writing. So we can see how is the output. So output will look like this, ABC system. Now question is, in case if you have a certain requirement saying like ABC is coming, but I want to start from D directly. I want to start from F directly. Then no problem. That is also easy. First you find where you want to start from. You said, yes, I want to start from the D. So in ABCD series, what is the position of D? A is the 1, B is the 2, C is the 3, and D is the 4. If you write here start equal to 4, it will start from the D directly. Start equal to 4. Then it will start from the 4th position, which character will come. You can check once. Say how it is. It is something like this, starting from the D directly. Next, I'll keep one more HR tag, different color equal to maybe blue color, as well as size equal to little bigger, 8 pixel. In HTML, you are writing only number, like 4 we have written one place. Not 4, here we have written size equal to 5. So how much pixel it represents? By default is the px only. You are not writing the px, so by default it will become a px itself. Below we wrote as 8. 8 represent 8 px. Thickness of the line will be 8 pixel. Okay, hope ready. Check now. Something like this. So two type of order list we found. One is the number as a 1, 2, 3. Another one the type as a ABCD. Next write next OL. Next OL. Next OL. This OL will be type equal to I, a small I. It will give you Roman 1, 2, 3. Okay. Inside now this li, write some profile name. Like suppose software developer. Okay. Right there, next call. XLI. Testing engineer. Next write DBA. DBA. Next, write UI developer and check again. This will give you Roman 123. This will give as a Roman 123. This is also going to come 123 only, but Roman 123. Okay, write it. Even you can run it and see how it look. It's something like this. Roman 123. That is also type of order, but it's a Roman number 123. In that also we can write a start equal to 10. So it will start from the 10th number of Roman 123. Okay, a start property is common. Let's add one HR tag also here. Size equal to 10. Start equal to color equal to red, size equal to 10. So it will also give a horizontal line, thickness will be 10 pixels. So you saw number, you saw the uppercase, then you saw Roman 123. We have two more options. Sometime we need to display the small ABCD. Sometime we need to display the uppercase Roman 123. As of now, what is displaying is a lower case, Roman 123. A small Roman 123 is coming and capital ABCD is coming. We want to display a small ABC as well as capital Roman 123. Okay, so what is the solution for that? Okay, or you can write this one as a capital I. The I here written, write capital I. So capital Roman 123 it will display. Type equal to write as a I. Capital I, it will display you uppercase Roman 123. It will display uppercase Roman 123. Let us check now. See, uppercase is coming. Come on, write one more. Well, in that you can write type equal to a small a. Write some type of okay, for example, home. Next, about us. Next call, contact us. Next call, login. And one more call, register. Okay, now it will display you order as a 1 to 3 only, but it will be in the lowercase. Okay, so hopefully something like this. ABCD small. Write the last OL that will be of a small I, a small Roman 1, 2, 3. The chart color equal to orange color as well as size equal to maybe 15. Hmm. Let's follow call. OL open close. Right inside type equal to type equal to a small a. Small a small I. The small I will make as a lowercase Roman 1, 2, 3. Okay. In that again you can add some maybe city name. You can add some city name. Chennai. Next LI. Delhi. Next LI. Mumbai. Next LI. Pune. Next LI. Kolkata. Correct? Check once how these all are coming and how many type of order list you found. So hope your output is something like this. Here, a small. This is a small ABCD. This is capital Roman 1, 2, 3. This is capital ABCD and this number 1, 2, 3. So this 5 type of order list we have. 5 type of order list we have. And if we learn the CSS, this order list we can modify also. Order list 5 types of coming. With the help of CSS, we can change our own order as well. That is also possible. Can you change color all at once? Color, you have to write individual line for all. For to write one side, one time, we have to write the CSS. Okay, or other option is there, but that is not valid syntax. Suppose if I write open the font tag here, font, and font I close in the last. Font tag I open and close here in the last, and for that I write the color equal to red. Okay, so this may work, but this is not valid code. Okay, because the font says like I'm not suitable to display the big content. I'm suitable to display the small content, where it should have only text. It should not have another tag inside. Now what you are doing, OL you kept inside the font. Okay. So let me see, color is coming as a red. Okay. This way also you can do, but I will not suggest to write like this. Okay. Better than this, HTML let it be separate. Once CSS will come, we'll see. We have 5 into 3, 15 types of rule we have to write the CSS. Okay, so let's check for how many people page is running. You tried, your page is running or not? Let me know in the chat. You can say yes, no. See, you should try it. Okay, I'm not saying like first or second or third or fourth example, you will become master, you will start writing 100%. But that is only preparation for your final destination. Till you will not write first example, you will not be able to write the second example. And if you are not writing a small example, like we cannot feel like, okay, I can create a big page. Okay. So it is as of now, learning the HTML is like learning the alphabets of web technology. To speak English, what we need to know? We need to know ABCD. We need to know how to create the words. What are the words? We need to form the words, sentence. We need to arrange, follow the grammar. We need to follow many things. Similar way, when you are going to create a web page having so many things, it will have a combination of all rule, regulation, content, color combination, organized, everything well proper, correct? Now, in that case, if you are not writing first example and not able to implement H1, then tomorrow how you can combine H1 paragraph, division, OL, UL all together? You will feel directly overload. Okay, so it is tried. Okay, it will be in few classes automatically. It will feel like okay, it look like interesting. Okay, we should write. HTML is like is a very soft language. It has less code and more output. What you write one line, for that it will give the output. If you write one line and run it, HTML will give the output for that. Okay, so we should try it. Okay, so it's a happen. So we can go to the developer guide, and how many type of the order list you have. You saw here we have one is called one type is called a small I, another type is called a small a, then we have called capital I, then we have capital A, and then we have Roman 1, 2, 3. So we can write here type of OL. Go to the developer guide, or if you're writing in the notebook, you can write in that type of OL. Okay, type of OL. Type of OL. Type of OL. One we have called type equal to number one. Okay. Second, we have type equal to capital A. Next, we have type equal to a small a. Next, we have type equal to a small I. Next, we have type equal to capital I. Correct? So these 5 types we have in order list. Using this, we can display the content in different type of order. We can display the content in different type of order. Okay, next you can write for the UL. How many type of UL we have? Type of UL. We have one type equal to disk. Next we have type equal to square. Next we have type equal to circle, disk square circle, and one more we have type equal to none. Okay, written. Now we'll create next file example6.html to implement the UL. Create next file example6.html to implement the UL. UL have 4 types. We will see that. Disk square circle, how it look. Example6.html. Example6.html. Okay, start from HTML again and follow the body tag, and under body tag follow one h1 tag, the right inside call, UL unordered list example. Unordered list example. Unordered list example. We can start with the UL tag. Open the UL, close the UL. Next, after that, inside the UL, first type is UL type equal to disk. Okay. We can write some certain menus, for example, home. Next li called profile. Next li we can write call education. Next profile we can write call home profile education skills. Then next li we can write call experience first project and next experience. Experience. Home profile education skills project and experience. Okay, check the file, run once, dot will come. It will give you dot, write one, HR again, with the color, some color, size, some size. Okay, just for a separator purpose. Anyhow, all the UL will print in the new line. All the UL will print in the new line. Let us see it once. Something like this. Dot. That is called disk. Follow the next UL. You can write type equal to circle. Type equal to circle. And in that you can add some 3-4 points. Anything is okay. Okay, we can write here call software services. Next li we can add marketing services. Next li we can write education. Next li we can write employment. Save it. Run once, you will find circle will appear. Dot dot dot. Okay, ready? Something like this. Circle. We have one more. HR color equal to green color. Size equal to same. Next we can write here UL type equal to square. Type equal to square. Write the li. Li. You can write some kind of again item name. For example, apple. Next example, milk. Next we can write something. Water. Next li. Orange. Next li. Something rice. Okay. Then this will generate you like a square. In front of all the items, you will find a square symbol will appear. By default, it will be like this. By default will be disk in UL, and in OL by default will be 1, 2, 3. So this will display you. You can add any text. It is not necessary same text you can add. Property apply the same. The type UL become as a tag. Then type become as a property. And a square become as a value. So HTML is poor in property and value. HTML has lot of tags. All the tags are from HTML only. But what we are talking about this property and value, type is a property, square become a value. Correct? So HTML is weak in this property and value. HTML has limited property value. Okay. Now, due to this limitation, HTML will not be only sufficient to design a very, you can say, professional layout. HTML will say, yes, I have a tag. I can do the input and output, but I am poor at the point of design part. Okay. Then CSS will say, don't worry, you have less property and value, you have limited on the property and value. Then CSS will say, I have only property value. CSS has only property and value. And CSS, you don't have anything else, only property and value. So you will take all the property value from the CSS and you will take the tag from HTML and both combine together. And after that, whatever you want, design it. Okay. That's how you are going to follow in the future. Property value from the CSS and tag from the HTML. So this should look like this square. Okay. A square symbol come everywhere. Even this square symbol we can convert into hand symbol. We can convert into up arrow key, left arrow key, down. I mean, like multi-thousand type of icons are there that we can convert into, but not directly through the HTML. Okay. The property value come from the you can say and not from CSS. It's an encrypted value of browser. In browser dictionary, all the values are stored. But through CSS, it's become look clean, less code, more output. Through HTML, code will be more, output will be okay. We have one more called type equal to none. We can write in the last HR color equal to red, size equal to, you can keep similar. Okay, we can write here next UL. You can keep some city name. Type equal to none. It will not give anything. Okay, it will just display your text, what you are trying to keep there. Only text will be visible. We can write here UL. Under the UL, you can write now LI. Okay, some city name you can add. Bangalore. Mangalore. Okay, next Chennai. Next LI. Pune. Save it. You can see it will give you no any kind of indicator. It will just display the text. Something like this. Okay, so hope your final page is like this. This is the final output. This is called disk, circle, square, as well as this is called none. Right? Check once. Hope your page is looking same. Right? After that, you will ask where I will use the UL tag and where I will use the OL tag. Okay. Our next example will guide you. But before that, till date, whichever the website you have seen, and whichever the website we have seen with the menus and submenu, menu and submenu you see, right? So 99%, not 99, 100% of the developer in the market use the UL tag to create the navigation of the website. Menus with, menu, submenu. Let me open this, our website only. Okay, so this is the one. You can see here is the menu. This is the main menu, the main line. Okay, main line is the main menu. And after that, when I'm moving the mouse here, some menu is opening, some menu opens, some menu opens, some menu open, right? So this is not only this website, every website, whoever we see on internet are going to see, every developer will use the UL tag to create this menu and submenu. You can see when I'm moving mouse here, it's getting open here. This is called nested UL. A UL inside the UL. Okay, this is already main line is the UL, but when mouse went here, it's a CSS is playing the role inside. But this is called as a nested UL. Inside a LI, you can assume like a UL have home, online, classroom, recruitment, all courses, something as a LI. And inside the second LI, there is one more UL. Under the second LI, there is one more UL. And that UL have this many LI. Under the third UL, there is a LI, UL under the third LI. Under the third LI, again there is a UL, and under the UL, this many LI. Whereas one LI is there, it has one more UL that is opening here. Can you see? Nested. So this kind of menu and submenu you will be creating in the future, or people create in the market using UL tag. Okay. Then you will ask, then what is the use of the OL? Okay, let's come down. OL you saw inside the OL we have the option 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D. Now look at this point. This 1, 2, 3 we have replaced with the hand symbol using the CSS. Now we wanted to highlight some point, correct? So this point we are highlighting, it can be 1, 2, 3, it can be ABCD, it can be Roman 1, 2, 3, or it can be capital small ABC. Instead of that, ABCD and all we have replaced by hand symbol. Coming down again, see here also hand symbols are there, right? So whenever you are displaying the content inside the page, and if your content have multiple line to represent to the user in meaningful format, you will use the OL tag, OL. But when the matter will come of UL, you are going to create a menu and submenu using the UL tag. Okay, so that we will keep. Even people are not going to ask in the market because there is a huge different type of question that will be demanded. Okay, those questions become a very old. What is the difference between OL and UL? Okay, 10 years before people were asking. Now there is a high level question are available in the market. Okay? But we can understand. Okay, OL tag I will use at those places where I need to display some content in the meaningful format, maybe line by line, or maybe some kind of 1, 2, 3 ABCD we need to display, and UL tag especially for menu and submenu. We can create next example of nested UL. Nested UL. How we can place a UL inside the UL. Okay. So I'll write here call nested. We can add a note somewhere called nested. See, nested UL is not anything. It's a like how you have the OL as a predefined, UL you have a predefined. Now you are going to make it a nested, means according to our requirement. We are going to mix water and milk together. Milk is separate and water is separate. But our requirement says enhance little. Then mix both together and it will get enhanced. Okay. So here we are mixing now UL based on our requirement so that it will become a nested. Condition inside condition when you write, it's called a nested condition. When you write loop inside loop, call it a nested loop. When you write paragraph inside paragraph, nested paragraph. Similar way, you will write the UL inside the UL will become a nest. Okay. The structure will be like this. UL tag will produce you the li. UL will produce you the li. Okay, I will write here. This is called step number 1. Step number 1. UL will produce the li. That is called step number 2. Okay. Now li, if required, li will present you the again this one. Which one? UL. Inside the li, you will follow the UL. And inside the UL, what will come? Inside the UL again,
li.
Number 2 will come. Correct? Inside the UL again, step number 2, that is called li. Correct? And again, li will give the UL. UL will give the li. Li will give the UL, and UL will give the li. So it is called infinite. Okay. You can see menu, submenu, inside the submenu, multiple branches, right? So this will keep repeating. So we wrote UL has given the li will give the UL, correct? And again this UL, what it will give? Step number 2, that is called li. Okay, and li will give a step number 3. So this would be a step number 3. Okay, so we will follow the same. Next file will be example 7.html. Nested UL. Nested UL. Okay, example 7.html. HTML open close. Next, follow the body tag. And right here call nested UL example. Should be under the H1 tag. Nested UL example should be under the H1 tag. Follow the UL. Will not mention any type. Let it be default one. Li home. Then contact us. After that, our services. Next, after that, register. Next, after that, login. And then after that, anything, product. Just let it with this 6 li. Add the 6 li, and then we'll go for the our services li. Our services li will make as a nested. Okay, done. We can check also by default, it will give you this like this. Disk will come by default. By default, disk will come. Now we will go under the services. So here the LI of services we have. Let apply little space and organize it. Okay, so that it should not become as a mix. Follow the UL again inside the LI. Follow the UL there. You will not write any type of type. Let it be default. LI open close. Inside the LI again we did open and close of the UL. Now come inside, write again LI get in, one more LI, website development, one more LI, digital marketing, one more LI, employment. Okay, so this is clearly visible. These all are under the LI. UL we have started. UL has given the LI and LI has given the next UL. Okay. Save the file and we'll run it. You will find our services have total 4 options. Okay, all will print one after other only. You cannot bring everything in one line without CSS. LI is a block level tag. It will print in the new line by default. Using CSS, we have to convert all the main LI into the same line so that it will print in one line. Okay, so it is something like this. Something like this. This becomes a nested UL. It may be under the marketing. We can keep digital marketing, offline marketing, online marketing, inbound, outbound, something you can add. Okay, marketing, okay, digital marketing we have already. Website development, we can write inside called e-commerce, social media, and many more. So that will become as a nested. Under the marketing, we can write as a what? Different option. Under the website, we can write different option. Under digital marketing, we have 9 options. We can write employment, we can write 3-4 options. Okay, so that will become as a third level. So this is as of now first level, and this becomes a second level. Okay, so hope your page work and look similar.
You can put order list there.
We can put order list also, but order list not to display order list. You are not going to create the menu and submenu. Yes, inside the page, if you want to display the content as a point and sub point, like education, you wrote some description. Below you have education. Under the education, you want to display BCA, MCA, then BTech. Under the BTech, multiple branches. There we can use the OL order list. Okay, education will come as a one inside that BCA, MCA. Second called BTech. Two under the BTech multiple again ABCD. So that way we can display. Content when you want to display, without doubt you will follow the OL tag. And navigation when you want to create, without doubt you follow the UL tag. Okay. Okay, right. So hope working. We'll see you tomorrow again. 7 o'clock. I'll send this video. I guess.